Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Cosmopolitan cocktail. First, gather your ingredients. 1. 5 ounces of vodka, 0. 75 ounces of Cointreau, and 0. 75 ounces of fresh lime juice. Don't forget 0. 5 ounces of cranberry juice for that iconic hue. Ensure your martini glass is chilling, ready for this perfectly balanced drink. Now, let's mix it up. Pour the vodka, Cointreau, lime juice, and cranberry juice into a cocktail shaker filled with fresh ice. Secure the lid tightly and shake vigorously for about 15 to 20 seconds. You want to ensure the drink is thoroughly chilled and properly diluted. Then, carefully strain the vibrant mixture into your pre-chilled martini glass. The final touch is all about presentation. Take a fresh orange and, using a vegetable peeler, create a thin strip of zest. Gently twist the peel over the drink to express its aromatic oils, enhancing the cocktail's fragrance. Then, simply drop the twisted peel into the glass. This simple garnish elevates the entire experience, making your Cosmopolitan visually stunning and delightfully fragrant. And there you have it. Your exquisite Cosmopolitan is ready to be savored. Take a moment to appreciate the balance of sweet, tart, and strong flavors. Feel free to experiment with different vodka brands to discover your personal favorite. For those looking to enrich their financial knowledge, check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Cheers to your mixology skills.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.